Okay, so we're going to do the top stitching now for the beanie, or the cap of the beanie. So, like I said, normally I don't do the top stitching here because these are just cheapies. The other thing is also because I use off-cuts, it's difficult to line the patterns up. Like this one is fairly aligned, but when you work with the offcuts, then you can't always have everything perfect because the pattern on the material doesn't always match. So for these ones, because these are like I give these ones away for free. I don't really care if they match or not because you work with what you've got. And in any case, this is just something that I put in the bag for the client when I print, just as something extra. And also the top stitching takes a lot of time, so I normally don't do top stitching. And when you work with offcut pieces, I also don't change the thread on the overlockers. Sometimes I change the thread on the lock stitch machine, but because I don't do top stitching, I just leave the same color thread on the overlocker and I sew all the beanies with that thread. So it is my personal preferences, but these ones I do quickly, all of them. That's why I don't do the top stitching, because you can't just sit here in front of the machine for every color offcut material that you use to create the beanie. You now want to create you now want to rethread the machine. So yeah, this is my, and in any case these ones are just for free. So the top stitching adds a lot of extra time to the beanie as well. So but creating these beanies is a great way to, especially when it's winter, to get rid of your extra to get rid of your offcuts that are just lying around. So if you are going to do it, just make sure that your stitching is straight and that you don't, like this one now. But in any case, the fleece doesn't have a lot of stretch in it. This fleece, it depends on the fleece that you buy. Some fleeces are cheap fleece and some are expensive fleece. And then, okay, so we finished here now. So this is the top stitching that we did. It looks good. Nicely rounded off, and at the bottom here as well, you can see now the seams are lying flat. A lot of the beanies that you buy in the shop, they don't even do the top stitching, especially here where the band is. So they will stitch here, but not anything here. And they also use the what do you call that machine? Yeah, that name, every time I forget it. That stitches somewhere the top stitch at the same time when you close when you sew the different panels together. I can't remember that machine. Every time I forget the name of that machine. But in any case, it doesn't matter. It looks nice now. We're going to do in the next video, we're going to attach the band and then the top stitching for the band, and then we're finished.